Hello everyone, Hatamali for Projection back again with the newest as we always promised. Today we brought for you the mouse, the Trust GTX 130, and we brought for you Logitech G602. I said in my previous videos before that I'm gonna compare both of them, which one is better. Listen guys, I'm gonna tell you, this is both gaming mouse, okay? This is GXT, sorry, 130. I want to tell you something. The difference in price between this is cost like almost $80, and this is cost like almost $25. But honestly, guys, I'm gonna tell you something. It's not the eTrust is not bad, you know. Especially I play here Overwatch at the moment, and as you see, I play Overwatch. I play with both of them. I'm gonna tell you now. I have this for over 6 years. Sorry, 6 months, and this is I have it now for like 1 month and a half. To be honest with you, this shortcuts down there is bothering. You know, I'm gonna tell you something. As comfortability for holding mouse, I give it to eTrust. To be honest with you, eTrust have here. What I like, they have here economic button to turn off light and on and off. Okay. But when the light is on, she's so gorgeous and sexy. You see, I'm gonna tell you, as shape, it's lightening here, lightening here, lightening here. She have a DBI bottom here. The screwdriver is nice. A shortcut here bottom work well. The shortcuts here, she have 3 bottoms here, which is mean you can customize them in game. It's 2 enough. You don't need more than this. Okay, I hold this mouse. She's more comfortable in playing games. Let's move now to Logitech. I want to show you something. Sure, listen, as heavy, no compare. This one is more light. This one is really more heavy. A beer. Look, I don't know why, guys. You see my nerve here? This one that says appear now here in the middle of my hand. See, I'm gonna move him. When I hold this mouse too much, I play with her. This nerve start hurt me. But I don't know. I didn't face this in GTX because you know, guys who play games, they know some mouses they hurting hand from how much they are not so comfortable. You got me? I don't know. Maybe she because she's too high like this. See, she looks like pregnant, and this one is more the shape for it. I don't know. I play with this Call of Duty, Black Ops Online, and I play another games. I play sometimes by 3 hours. I not feel anything. But here I feel hurt in my nerve. My hands start hurt me. I start feel pain. Even now I feel pain in these 2 fingers. Okay. So as comfortability for holding more, I give it to GTX. Will GXT. Let's back again to eTrust. I'll tell you something. See here where is my hand? Far away. You know, when I, for example, I have facing to jump or to make zoom. I do here zoom fast, jump. And I do this for other bottoms. See, but here this bottom, see, it's always touch. Look, now I press it accidentally. So look, watch what happened. It's minimize. Okay. The point here that this bottom, they make it so closer to your finger. Honestly, this is a big mistake. You know, I will cancel these 2 bottoms. This one, no. You know, for example, this one now, no. The G4, I guess, no, far away, and the other bottoms far away. But these 2 bottoms, G4 and G5, they are really bothering. Which is mean when I make my finger here and I play, I press this bottom accidentally and it's turn off game, and this make me so mad, especially in the exciting moments. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. As controlling the look, I'm gonna tell you something important. As quality, I give it to Logitech, sure. I mean, Logitech appear that quality better than the eTrust. But as comfortability, I give it to it. As shape, I give it to it. But I'm gonna tell you something. Both of them are really accuracy in playing, which is me. See now. I'm gonna show you something. Do you guys see arrow? This is from the GTX. I can make the DBI more higher, just become more speedy. Because I put both. I put both receivers. Now I move the Logitech. I give really. I will give. This is 80% accuracy, and this is 100% accuracy. More than the I give it more than the eTrust. I don't know. I play with the eTrust. It's accuracy in everything, but not so accuracy like this one. Especially when I make zoom as far away and I wanna shoot the soldier from far away distance, and I need to really arrow that move with me inch by inch. I'm talking about playing online. And now you don't want any mistakes. You got me. Make zoom, sniper. He's so far away. I need one shot, one kill. So the Logitech here is more accuracy a little bit. I'm gonna tell you something else. Who gonna live with you more? Sure, Logitech. I mean, if this will stay with you 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years, this one's gonna stay with you 5, 6 years, with high performance. You got me, which means she's not gonna let you down. eTrust, I mean, I'm gonna tell you, it didn't do something, but I feel it. I feel that she's after 1 year she start appear the issues. I mean, guys, for her price, $25, that's it as hell. And even if after 2 years or after 1 year and a half, if she done this, I will not accuse her, because she already did well. She already played well. She already the $25 already. I'm so satisfied to pay them for this. So anyway, so if I'm gonna compare them, I told you about my opinion. As accuracy, as more mouse that's gonna live with you more, as even quality of I mean, here they're like Barcelona, here like skin. The quality for mouse, sure, I give it to Logitech. I mean, far away to Trust, but I'm not saying this is low quality. It's also nice. I'm telling you something, guys. My advice to you, okay? My advice, even though it looks almost same shape. Never buy a mouse that is Chinese, that a brand that is a knowledge brand, because you know, guys, how much mouse I threw it, and I threw it in wall and I scratched it. This wall is the witness of how much mouse I threw it on them, and I broke it in this wall. Maybe 3 or 4 mouses. You got me, guys. I bought Chinese for mouse. I don't know. Tritmos, Bababos, I mean, all of them are shit. All of them low quality, and they stuck, and I break them in the wall because they are so shit mouses. I'm telling you something. Don't buy Chinese mouses. Stay away. I mean, not brands. Stay away. Razer, by eTrust, by Logitech, by famous company. You got Microsoft, a lot of nice companies that you can choose one of them and buy. I'm not telling you necessarily choose one of them, but honestly, I try a lot of mouses, and I give the best for Logitech. I prefer Logitech, and also Microsoft I give it, but Logitech honestly nice. Honestly, also Trust, I try her as fan, okay, as cooler fan here. I try it, and I try it as mouse, and honestly it didn't let me down. Nice brand really, and so cheap price. So this was my comparison about them, and I don't have issues about any one of them, just this silly button here. It was, and I don't have big fingers, I don't have big hand, I have normal hand. I'm not I mean, I don't have something. See, guys, here, so closer. See, I press it now, it's close, and it's really annoying. So anyway, thanks for watching, and see you again in other videos. And don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up, and tell me which one you prefer really. I would like to hear your opinion, guys. Which one you prefer to buy, the Logitech or the eTrust? So see you again in another video, because I have a lot of things to show. I have a lot of things to show, but I don't have time actually. Anyway, we'll see you again in other videos, and peace, and wish for everyone happiness.